Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Forerunner 965. To begin, press the up button to access the main menu. Scroll down and select Maps to view the preloaded topographical maps. You can pan across the map by swiping your finger and zoom in or out using the up and down buttons. Your current location is marked by a small blue triangle, and your track is shown as a thin line. This allows for quick orientation during your activities. Next, let's navigate a course. You can create a course in Garmin Connect or import one directly to your watch. Once loaded, select Do Course from the map menu. The watch will provide clear turn-by-turn directions and display an elevation profile, helping you anticipate climbs and descents. If you need to return to your starting point, simply use the Back to Start feature, which guides you along your original path or the most direct route. Customizing your map display enhances usability. From the map settings, you can adjust the orientation to north up or track up and change the level of detail from low to high. You can also enable or disable various points of interest, such as restaurants or gas stations, to declutter your view. Experiment with different map themes, like high contrast or dark mode, to ensure optimal visibility in bright sunlight or low light conditions, making your navigation experience truly personal. Finally, let's explore some advanced map features. The Around Me tool helps you quickly find nearby points of interest, displaying their distance and direction. You can also save specific locations directly from the map by holding the Start button, allowing you to navigate back to them later. Additionally, the Up Ahead feature provides a dynamic list of upcoming course points, like aid stations or turns, giving you a clear overview of what's next on your route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.